Okay, so on the installation of siding, what you need to start off with is a flat surface. Think of that as your substrate. For most sidings, you don't need to tear off all the siding in order to install new siding. So we're going to get down to a flat surface. Oftentimes that involves tearing off battens and any trim boards on the home. Then we're going to install a critter cap. That is the base of all the siding. That is keeping stuff from coming up underneath your shingle or your siding. And that really is designed to keep, squirrels, lizards, animals out of behind your siding. Next, your home gets wrapped. What a lot of contractors use, because there are a lot of ways to cut on cost with anything that you do, is the house wrap. Most house wraps are a flat surface that goes underneath whatever siding is getting installed over it. That is great for keeping water out of your home, except for the fact that water has surface tension, and if that house wrap gets wet, it can actually adhere to the siding, or it can adhere to the substrate, causing wood rot and damaging it long term. What we use is Hardy Wrap. Hardy Wrap actually has valleys built into the wrap, and this allows water to transverse down the wrap all the way out. The siding system, like most siding systems, are actually designed to get water out from behind the home. Every siding system will get water behind it, except for an ideal wood system. But you've got to get the water out. It's got lots of redundant measures to make sure water is getting out of your siding. After that, we will rewrap all your windows with seam tape and trim. That way we are really sealing off that hole. Windows are nothing but a hole in your house. You want to make sure those are sealed off properly against the outside. That way you don't have outside coming inside. There we start with our trim boards. So your trim boards will go on the outside corners, your inside corners, around any of your window frames, door frames, that kind of thing. For the most part, you go with something like James Hardie's Arctic White. It gives you a nice, bold trim around any part of your home. Then we put up the lap siding all the way up to the top. And we can even do just small accent areas of things like their shingle siding that looks like a wood shake shingle, but is fiber cement siding, maybe up in a dormer, a new gable vent, that kind of thing. At the end, all of the siding is sealed up, so any nail holes, that kind of stuff, will all get sealed with our trim kits, as well as get color match paint on any area that got cut. So if we have to cut a lap, we will paint the edge of that. That way it all matches nice and smooth. Awesome thing, you actually can match any color at Sherwin-Williams of the James Hardie colors. You bring in your color name, they can match it up perfectly. That way maybe you're not doing the stucco area of your home, but you want those colors to match the rest of your home. Awesome. You can have a painter get those color codes made up at Sherwin-Williams and have them paint your stucco so that it matches your new James Hardie siding.